to make money without any money? Well, that question has stayed in my head for a long time, and I did everything to find that out. No loan, no savings, no rich uncle. Just a laptop, Wi Fi, and a way too much time on my hands. So, I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I did step by step, no fluff, because if you're broke right now and googling this at 2 a.m., I was you. Part 1, to starting out. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't need money to start. You need a skill someone else doesn't have a time to learn. For me, that skill was content creation. I started with the basics: video editing, thumbnail design, cutting long videos into short clips. Nothing fancy. I wasn't trying to be a creator, I was trying to survive. I taught myself hooks, titles, why some videos get 200 views, and the exact same video or idea gets 2 million. I learned it by watching, breaking things down, rebuilding them for free using nothing but a PC and an internet. That was the whole bet. If I could learn a skill using only free resources, I could get paid for that skill without spending a rupee to start. Part 2, the first real move. Once I got a decent Once I got decent at editing and understanding what makes content actually perform, I didn't go build my own channel first. I went and found people who already had the audience, YouTubers, streamers, and I offered to turn their long videos into short clips for shorts, reels, TikTok. Zero cost to start. My only investment was time and reps. And here's the part that changed everything for me. I stopped pitching myself as a video editor. Editors are replaceable. Instead, I positioned it as a distribution problem I was solving, helping creators get discovered by an audience that was never gonna sit through a 40-minute video but would absolutely watch a 30-second clip. Same skill, completely different perception, completely different price tag. Part 3, shift to digital products. Digital products. Once I understood content, I noticed something. The real money wasn't just in doing the service, it was in packaging what I knew into something people could buy without me trading my time for it. So I built my first digital product using nothing but what I already knew and free tools I had access to. No manufacturing, no inventory, no upfront cost, just knowledge turned into something structured someone else could follow. That's the part people miss when they ask, how do I make money with no money? They're thinking about it like a business that needs capital. It's not. It's a skill that needs packaging. You already know something someone else doesn't. The money isn't in some secret resource, it's in the structure you put around what you already know. Part 4, what actually made it work. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you it was overnight. It wasn't. What actually worked was posting consistently, giving away real value first, and only ever mentioning what I built after I'd already helped someone for free. People don't buy from strangers, they buy from someone who already proved they knew what they were talking about before any money was ever on the table. So every piece of content I made had one job: prove I could get someone a result. The selling always came second, never first. That's the actual answer to can you make money without money? Yes, but the currency you're spending instead of instead is your time. That's the actual answer to can you make money without money? Yes, but the currency you're spending instead of cash is time, consistency, and being willing to look like a beginner in public for a while. Part 5, where I am now. Today, that same starting point, content clipping, understanding what makes people stop scrolling, turned into an actual business, a clipping agency, a full lineup of digital products I built from scratch. Packaging is exactly what I learned so other people don't have to spend years figuring it out the hard way. I put the complete system inside one of them. It's called the digital protocol. It's $17. You buy it once, you use it forever. It's literally the beginner path I wish. So, is it actually possible to make money without money? Yeah, but it's not free. You're just paying with something other than cash. If this helped, follow for more of this. I document the whole thing as I build it, not just the highlight reel. Till then, peace.